Hello, in this video we show you how to replace an oil pressure switch because it's leaking oil on Opel Astra J 1.6i. I'm looking from underneath the car and the oil pressure switch is just there where there is a drop of oil on it. It's just above the AC compressor. In order to get to the oil pressure switch, we need to remove the AC compressor. Actually, just the 3 bolts of the AC compressor. Also the belt we need to remove, and just bring the AC compressor to the side. We don't need to disconnect any AC lines. In order to remove the serpentine belt, we need to loosen the tensioner pulley. Tensioner pulley is just there that we need to put on a wrench and just loosen, and then just remove the serpentine belt. So in order to remove the belt, we need to turn the tensioner pulley anti-clockwise, and it will loosen the belt and we can remove the belt. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. And that's the belt removed. Next we need to remove the 3 bolts that hold the AC compressor to the engine. Now that the 3 bolts that hold the AC compressor are removed, we need to bring the AC compressor to the side in order to have access to the oil pressure switch. And now we have access to the oil pressure switch. That's it right there. First we need to disconnect the connector, and then we're going to be using a wrench size 24 to untighten the oil pressure switch. And as the oil pressure switch removed, now we can put on the new oil pressure switch. Now we tighten the oil pressure switch, and then we can put on the connector and then assemble the compressor back in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.